Hello, hello, hello. Welcome everybody. So today we're gonna do something a little bit different than we normally do. I'm going to be doing a live watch list, and I'll go over marking up my charts. Um, and then once the market opens, I'm going to go ahead and close the stream. Just because today I wanna kind of recenter, refocus, and figure out what's going on with my trading this last three days, this last week. So I'd like to do that. Um, I'll still record my trading session. I might upload it later today, but I'll definitely come back for a recap after the trading session. So for now, we'll go ahead and mark up the charts. UNCY is our leading gapper, the high of 135. And let's see here. Any daily resistance? There is a level at 164. 164. We'll mark that as blue. There is something at 140s, but not significant. Let's see if there's anything further back. There's some resistance at 208. That's a big candle day. And then Mateo, no trades yet, and I'm gonna be also cutting the stream at market open. I want to trade solo today, and then I'll come back for a recap afterwards. I want to take like a little reset day from last week. So just marking up UNCY, BBIO, high of 23 pre-market. Okay, and then pre-market pivot's gonna be at 1896. 1896. All right. BBIO, anything else? BBIO has a gap in its chart back in 2021. The gap will fill once it gets up to 38. So if it gets up to 38, it should fill the gap. 38, let's see, 3807 or 35. I'll put 35 there and then also 38. There is a gap on the daily. Yeah, I hope so too, Mateo. I did some studying over the weekend. Hopefully that helped. I did see there was a consistent problem with my red days in the fact that I was sizing too heavy on a lot of my trades before I got confirmation that the trade was going to work out. Usually I like to only add into winners, not um but I was sizing into trades before they were confirmed winners, and that led to a lot of bigger losses. TCRR is our third leading gapper, high of 210, pivot at 180. Needs to get back over VWAP first at 167. TCRR. Let's see. Oh, TCRR has the 200 EMA at 231 on the daily chart, so that might be a problem. I'll put that in purple. Let's see. Over 250. Yeah. UNCY breaking highs there, 138. TCRR, I'll put it on a side chart. It's not looking promising though, because of that 200 EMA there. Kala might be too high priced for me. I'll look at the chart here. Kala was in play in late December, early January. I'll mark it out, just the pre-market. 2570, 2470. UNCY hitting 140 there. Kala, pretty low volume as well. Let's see here. Next one on the list is ALBT, low volume. I don't really like the chart. I'm not gonna bother. FNGR, also low volume. BRQS, BRQS. Don't like that. All the way up, all the way down. We'll put it on a side chart to see if it wants to curl. If we get a curling motion on it, then we'll look for it. So BRQS only if it starts to curl back up to VWAP. TRKA I've only lost money on. This one's a bit, it's like a higher float. It moves like a higher float. It's not too high of a float. It's at 29 million. But it moves like a higher float, and I don't really want to trade it. TRKA. BTVT is close to $1. I'll be watching this one for maybe a break of $1. High of 122 here. Good morning, Mike. Pivot at 115. And that needs to get back over 101. Okay, so VTVT will be watching for a curl back through 1. Is there anything lower than that on the gap standard? ENTX. Kind of sold off. Seco. No. CLNN. Let's feed. Alright, so I think we have our list. It's gonna be UNCY at the open. Right now it has a high of 140. On the daily chart we have resistance at 164 and 208. And then there's some other ones at like 230 and over 3. Over 3 is where we start to see some other resistance. So that's UNCY. We have VPIO, possibly if it gets back over $19 for a move back to 23. TCRR needs to get back over 180. And then for a move to 210, but there is the 200 EMA on the daily at 231, so TCRR has some daily resistance. Kala, low volume, not going to trade it unless it gets back over highs at 25, 26. BRQS, only going to trade it if it gets back over 30, 32 area. So I'll mark out this little 3250 here. 3250. And then 36. So BRQS only if it gets back over 30, over VWAP. And then VTVT only if it gets back over 101, 102 view up area. But it needs more volume as well. Alright, so that'll be the list for this morning. I'm going to go ahead and head out, and I'll be back after I'm done trading for the recap. Alright, guys. And I'm just taking a day off the stream to recenter, refocus, and focus solely on my rules, and what I worked on this weekend for my red days. So I'll see you guys in maybe an hour or two for a recap. I'll be back. Alright, take care and have a good luck trading today, and I'll see you later. Alright.